Nothing like a little rain shower in the morning. What's a little power outage? No problem. We're leaving Oasis at Marigot for our next slice of Saint Lucian paradise. But first, we're stopping for some fresh cassava bread, a local treat you absolutely have to try. Where we're heading next has hilltop views that'll blow your mind, an infinity pool floating in the sky, and a working farm where time stands still. Welcome to the Haut Resort. Good morning. We are checking out today. Had a little rain this morning. Power was on, and then all of a sudden the power went out. I wasn't even aware. I was sitting out here on the balcony, and my husband came up and was like, "Hey, is the power out?" I'm like, "Is it?" Thankfully, I make coffee before any of that happened, so at least I got to have my coffee. But the problem is, because there is no power right now, the pump for our water also operates on power. So we also don't have water in our unit right now. I don't need a lot of water, but gonna need to use the restroom and brush my teeth and all that before we head out for the day. So yeah, the manager was running around with his phone calling the service. The other thing that's gonna be a little interesting is a little trolley that takes you up and down isn't going to work either, which means we are going to have to carry all our shit down manually with steps. Down is better than up, but we have our carry-ons and our backpacks. Anyway, we figured out, hopefully it kicks back on before we're ready to go. But we check out of here at 10 a.m. is checkout, and then we will start heading down to Soufrière. We're gonna try to find a cassava bread place on the way because it's right at the side of the road. So I wanted to give you a full kind of review of this property. It's very quiet, it's very cute, but the people have been friendly. The manager says hello to us every morning. We've also haven't spent a ton of time hanging out all day on property. We've pretty much, as you know, get out and explore. So yeah, would I recommend this place for couples? For sure. I think the best part is having a full kitchen where we can cook our breakfast, lunch, dinner. It's always helpful. Having AC in the bedroom is a definite must. It's very muggy here, and my husband doesn't function very well with muggy. I can function with muggy, but yeah, for sleeping it is kind of nice to be in AC. Anyway, we gotta pack up and get going. It's like, I don't know, 8:45 and we're supposed to be out of here at 10. But I tell you, if the power doesn't come back on, we may slow that process a little bit and get out of here as quickly as we can. I don't think they're gonna push us out. We are literally the only people here. There was one other couple and I'm not even sure if they're here anymore. It's been very pleasant, and I would definitely come back here if I had the opportunity. We're making a quick stop at Place Cassava for some authentic cassava bread. This is pure Saint Lucian tradition right here. They make this from the cassava root, grating it, pressing out the toxins, then cooking it on these massive griddles called Pitons. It's been a Caribbean staple for centuries. What you get is this crispy, gluten-free flatbread that's packed with energy and vitamin C, perfect for the tropical climate. The nutty flavor and crunch are incredible, but this is really about experiencing authentic local culture that St. Lucians have enjoyed for generations. This is the real deal. All right, so we just stopped at the cassava bread place. It was $8 total for two of them. We got a mixed fruit and a chocolate, and the trick is to eat it while it's warm. So they are served hot. They smell delicious, so I cannot wait to try this. My husband's going to try the mixed berry one, and I'm going to try the chocolate, and I will report back in a minute. So the red one is the mixed berry, and the other one is the chocolate. It kind of has like, if you've ever eaten ginger, it kind of has like a ginger texture to it, where it's a little crunchy. And then neither one are super sweet. I do like the chocolate a little bit better than I like the mixed fruit, but they're both good. They're very heavy, so it's almost like a whole lunch.
It's time to check in to the Haut Resort. I cannot wait to show you around to one of Saint Lucia's most authentic resort experiences. As we enter the property, you can tell that this place is just different. Right up next to the main reception building is the main parking area. But this is just the beginning of an incredible journey. La Haute means the height in Saint Lucian Creole, and this family-owned gem sits on 52 acres of what was once a thriving cocoa and coconut plantation. We're talking nearly a century of history here, perched high in the hills of Soufrière, with absolutely spectacular views of the Caribbean Sea and those iconic Pitons. Now check out my home away from home, Coco Suite number 3. The first thing that hits you when you walk in is how open and airy this space feels. Look at these high ceilings. There's so much character here. You can really feel the history in these walls. We've got the perfectly appointed kitchenette with everything you need. And check out this cool ensuite bathroom. Spacious, modern, but still keeping that authentic Caribbean charm. Now, this king bed, absolutely divine. It's so comfortable and welcoming after a day exploring the island. And I love the little seating area, perfect for reading or just taking in the ambiance. But here's the absolute best part. Follow me out to this private balcony. Are you kidding me with those views? Every single morning, I woke up to this incredible panorama of the Pitons. I mean, you literally cannot put a price on waking up to this every day.
All right, so we are here at La Haute, little plantation and resort. It's a very small kind of mom and pop little place, and it is a little bit older of a building and everything, but it is kind of cute and quaint. So we're going to walk around real quick and kind of show you the property, where the restaurant is, all of that good stuff, and where the 2 pools are. So we're going to head and do that now. The owner's pool, which is the infinity one, that closes at 5, and it's about 4:40 right now, so we're gonna head down there quick before it closes for the night. But we are in the upstairs suite today, and then tomorrow we're gonna have to move because there's somebody checking in, and we're gonna be downstairs. So I'm gonna flip around and show you our building. It's right here. So we are in this end one over here, and we will be right downstairs tomorrow.
Now, what makes La Haute truly special is that this is still a working farm. As we explore the grounds, we ran into some of the friendliest residents. We had cows, horses, donkeys. We didn't really find the quails or chickens, but they are all just living their best life here. If you are traveling with kids, they're going to be in absolute heaven.
But look at this view, man. So pretty.
Speaking of heaven, we're going to wander down to the owner's infinity pool. There are 2 pools here on property that are absolutely incredible. The variety of tropical flora is amazing. We've got mango trees, banana trees, you name it. It's all right here on property. And many things cooked in the restaurant are sourced right here from the farm. The infinity pool is actually located at the owner's house. And here's the amazing part. As guests, we have full access to this stunning infinity pool. Ready for a stunning view? Well, here it is. That infinity pool, this is a jaw-dropping, Instagram-worthy place. I mean, look how that just melts right into the Pitons. I could spend hours here doing nothing but enjoying this view. All the things. A rainbow. While the infinity pool will blow you away, the other pool on property, which is located much closer to the accommodations, is also a quiet, peaceful haven with its own incredible views. And it happens to be right next to the restaurant. So, if you get a little hungry, you can wander over and satisfy your appetite. If La Haut is calling your name after this tour, drop a comment below and let's connect. What if I told you you could bathe in waters heated by the earth itself? Discover Saint Lucia's most explosive secrets, from volcanic hot springs to paradise found at Sugar Beach. Subscribe for the full volcanic adventure. You won't believe what happens next. Where are we going next? Let's go.